Hello, my name is Lucretia Dearfour. You're watching The Wandering Legion, jackass.
Woke up this morning feeling super. Where's the butler? Pass me the butter.
I call this one
My muffins are
Make Everyone Poo Their
freshly
Pants with loud
baked.
noise.
Wake up, then I stretch and shake. My life, well, yes, it's great. Like I live on a slice of special cake with loads of ingredients. If my home is my castle, that's most convenient because my home is a castle, and I laugh at the top of my tongue. My drawbridge is over a moat filled with tea, and I'm far above it. I just love it. This life of mine, like every day, is a prize that shines. Lighting
I miss
my
you
way
so
through
much.
the unsightly times to
Hurry up,
stay
damn
where
it.
I find that the
Log
mind
in.
is mine. To see the friendly faces of you, the strangers, my fan bases. I love them almost paternally. I have an Valentine serving me. Wait, is that some eccentric invention just means being open-minded? Still if you're special, but no one said it. Shout with me.
I love it. It's beautiful. Don't play with that.
Yes, indeed. It's splendid. I'm really pleased. It's splendid. Well, isn't that nice? It's splendid. So sing it twice. It's splendid. Yes, indeed.
My name is Lucretia Dearfour,
I'm really
and this
pleased.
is The Wandering
Splendid.
Legion,
Well,
jackass.
isn't that nice? Splendid. That took it out of me. Where am I again? Oh, yes, there we go. The fresh smell of a newly mowed lawn. First cup of joy on a misty morn.